we're cooking with okay. Today we're cooking with Scottish man. What do you think on this situation, Scottish man? What? Oh, yes, you must do this. This is vital. All right, Scottish man. Now, how are you gonna season this dish? Oh, going straight with the pepper. You have to go back and forth. Come on, Scott. There you go. There you go. All right, now what else are you gonna season this with? Tell us. Oh, so just going with hot sauce then? Alright, now what else are you going to add to this dish to make it scrumptious? Just butter? Oh, anything else? Oh, there. Okay, this is the secret ingredient of buttery tomato.